Colorado's largest volume Honda dealer always has their best price posted on all cars. Our non-commissioned sales staff is happy to answer any questions on this or any of our Colorado vehicles. How tempting is the low mileage of this wonderful 2007 Honda Accord? Score this superb Accord at a brilliant price that you can easily afford. Comes equipped with all the standard features for your driving entertainment. It has nice amenities like rear window defroster, Bode side moldings, and power door mirrors. There's a reason why Shop Automotive is loved by everyone except the competition. Our one price, one promise guarantee sets this Colorado automotive dealer apart from the rest by having our absolute best price posted on all vehicles. Shop Honda is your Honda certified Denver dealer. Shop at Shop Honda today for your next Denver Honda Accord, Denver Honda Pilot, Denver Honda Odyssey and Colorado Honda CR-V. Your place to look for Denver all-wheel drive vehicles and Colorado used cars is Shop Automotive, the #1 Honda volume dealer in the Rocky Mountain region. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.